Solid advice to follow to get rid of snoring. Restless nights plague many people. When you or your loved one snores, it can make sleep even more difficult. Snoring is not just disturbing for others, it can also be dangerous. Snoring is a nuisance to a good night's sleep. However, there are many helpful hints that can help minimize the impact of snoring in your life. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. Excessive snoring can sometimes keep you from getting a restful night's sleep, but if you do snore, never take sleeping pills. Sleeping pills cause every muscle in your body to relax, including the muscles in your jaw and neck. This will only serve to make your snoring problems worse, and severe problems like sleep apnea can develop. You should refrain from using illegal drugs. They can cause you to snore, let alone the other health hazards they create. Marijuana, for example, is a drug that relaxes the body. Painkillers do the same thing to your body. Although the relaxing effects of legitimate and illicit drugs can make it easier for you to fall asleep, your sleep is more likely to be troubled by snoring. Don't drink alcoholic beverages before going to bed. The very reason you might be tempted to have a nighttime drink, the fact that you want to relax, can cause you to snore. When your muscles relax because of the alcohol, so do your air passages. As your air passages become restricted, you snore. Snoring does not need to control your sleep. Although it can be embarrassing, it is a natural and somewhat unpleasant part of life. If you or your loved one's snoring is too much to handle, then please seek medical help. Snoring can lead to other health problems. Remember, a good night's sleep can happen. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.